Yoo-hoo.
Karen, get in here. I'm in my closet.
I'm coming.
All right.
What's the
How
emergency?
are you?
Oh, good. How are you?
There's so many emergencies.
Fashion emergencies.
Yeah. Well, I just finished shooting Dancing with the Stars.
Yes.
And I've been living in my CB activewear. It's really comfortable, but I feel like I haven't gotten, properly dressed up. I'm tired of wearing the rhinestones and, dresses like this.
Oh my God, wait a second.
I've been living in dresses like this.
Can we stop for a second? What is that?
This is one of my Dancing with the Stars costumes.
I love
It's heavy,
it.
feel that.
Yeah.
You can
Oh,
shake
that
your
is
butt
heavy.
in
And you have
that.
to wear this and dance?
Yes.
Whew.
Yeah.
That's
This is
amazing.
it's very fancy.
Ooh.
With my
That's actually really cool.
with my broken mirror ball trophy.
Is this the actual
This is
mirror
from
ball?
like 1960.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, let's do it.
So what do we need?
I mean, we need a bunch of stuff. I've had some of these clothes since I was like in grade school, no joke. All Saints jacket. I don't know how to wear it, to be honest. It feels like I'm wearing a carpet. This leather jacket I just got.
Ooh,
Also,
is that
All Saints.
Oh,
yes, I love this.
The classic black jacket. TV appearance, right?
TV appearance, daytime. What would I wear?
I think I know there's something I love. I think this is really sexy. I think we should try this on.
But because it's a daytime appearance, I almost want to dress it down.
Why don't we do something like a duster?
Super cute. I love
Throw
that.
that over it, make
Love
it a little
it.
more casual. Why don't we find a pretty
Why don't
dress?
we dress this up?
Oh, I love this dress so much.
And I love this color. I'm
Yes.
obsessed with this color.
Okay, that's perfect. I have an idea for
Okay.
how we style it up. All
Look
right, what
at
you got?
these Stuart Weitzman boots. Do you love them or do you hate them?
Do I love them? Is that even a question?
I like certain things, but then I think I could like, is it cute? Is it not cute? I always question
Well, that's why I'm
myself.
always text away.
Because you're here, I need casual look.
Do you know what I have?
What?
Do you know we talked about a good black bodysuit?
Yeah.
So I got you one. I got you a turtleneck.
Okay, great.
Since it's still a little cold, but not really. We're in LA. But yeah, I got you one, and I think it's literally the perfect one. It's a Wolford bodysuit.
Okay, so what are we doing first?
All right, we're finding your first TV appearance look.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this look, give it to you. I'm gonna go in the other room where it's a little brighter.
Got it.
And we're gonna try some stuff on.
See you there.
All right, I'll see you, girl.
All right, so what do you think?
Hattie batati.
Right? I know. Is it a little too fancy for daytime?
I don't think so,
Okay.
because you are on a talk show.
Will the duster add pounds though?
I don't think so, but you
Okay.
know what we can do? We can do the chair test.
Chair
the chair
test.
test always tells us if it's gonna look good on TV or not.
All
So
right.
let me go grab a chair and I'll be right
Roll
back.
in the chair, Karen. Do I cross the legs or do I not cross them?
Since the slit is on that side, I would say you cross over that leg
Okay.
over the other.
So like this?
Yes,
I just want
just
to make
like
sure,
that.
those cameras are sneaky. Whenever I do talk shows, I always bring a pair of flats with me. Like I always need a pair of flats.
Because you cannot stay in those heels for
No.
hours. You know what we always have to do is take a picture?
Let's do it.
So let's get our picture. All right, next up,
Okay.
red carpet outfit.
Doing the robe.
We're doing some sexy robe right
Okay,
here.
Great. Okay.
All right, let's see you, girl.
Here's the red carpet look. Oh wow. It's different for me. I normally don't wear like gray thigh-high boots,
but
if you think it's cool and it's different, then I'm willing to try it.
I think this is a really new direction and a really fun direction. But we need to do some jewelry. So do you remember your first red carpet?
Yes, it was horrendous.
Was it?
It was-
Can we hear the story?
Yes, I wore these like jeans with like shells on them with a
my
nasty
goodness.
like brown purse. It was so bad.
Well, should we take a picture?
Let's do it.
All right, third look.
Third look. I want to try on that bodysuit turtleneck
Yes,
that you got me.
bodysuit.
All right.
Oh, well,
this is my
hey.
casual look. I love the bodysuit, and I love the All Saints leather
Yes,
jacket.
the All
I
Saints
just
leather
got.
jacket is like their classic, amazing jacket you
Yeah.
can wear any day.
What fashion advice would you give yourself 10 years ago?
I had this huge epiphany when I learned how to dress for a body shape. You figure out what works best for you. So a pear shape, you and I are both pear shaped. So one of the things we do is cinched waist, longer pants, things that bring the attention up.
To the waist,
And
yeah.
that emphasize the waist. So you grew up in California.
Yeah, in the Bay Area.
But you have a few sisters, right?
I do. I have a couple sisters. I have one younger, one older. I would say my younger sister's more like hippie, what do they call it?
Like boho?
Boho.
Boho
chic.
chic.
There you go.
Yes. All right,
Okay.
we need to get our photo.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What are you doing? You want to hang out for a little bit?
I have a few
Catch
minutes.
up?
I think we can do that.
All right, cool.
Let's go hang out on your awesome porch.
Karen, do you dance?
Actually, I do. I danced a lot
Do
when I was
you?
younger. Yes.
Oh, okay. Not just
Not
at night
ballroom.
after a couple drinks.
No, when
you
I was
actually
younger.
like straight up dance.
Took classes, yes.
Okay.
Describe your Hollywood experience in 3 words.
Frightening, glitz and glam.
Do you speak any other languages?
I can understand Tagalog. My mom's Filipino, so when she like tries to talk crap about me, I actually understand everything that she's saying. But I can't speak a word. What's the best decade for fashion?
I have to say the 60s. That's when that was
Yeah,
like,
right?
you
Like
know,
that Marilyn Monroe.
Yes, and the fit and
Nice.
flares and the, you know,
Okay.
lots of very flirty dresses, and that's my style, so I gravitate towards that.
What's your most used emoji?
This one.
Mine's this one. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and for more fun videos, make sure you click right here.